buat kepada Mr. Ambassador dan juri.
Hello Chef, hello Mr. Fabian. Sorry, Chef, moment. Wait a moment, I will give the sauce. Excuse me.
Jo, ini apa?
Apa ini, Jo?
Yes, Chef, Mr. Fabian, I hope you enjoy. I present the poached gindara and prawn with kuah kuning Sumbawa.
Okay.
They call singang.
Singa.
Yeah, singang. And I give the condiment comté bol. I mix with cumin. Then ada mashed potato. Then the side dish edamame, carrot, and I give the confit chili. If you need more spicy, you can press.
Which product are you using?
I using butter, cooking cream, press milk, and comté.
Cottage cheese with the cumin.
Yeah, comté bol.
Jadi ini makanannya Yogi ya? Ingat?
Iya, saya dapat inspirasi dari Yogi bahwa kayak singgang nih menarik buat saya, jadi akhirnya saya coba membawakan singgang untuk challenge ini, Chef.
Semoga Yogi bahagia dan bangga mendengar bahwa aku membawakan kuah kuning singang dari Sumbawa yang dimana bisa disajikan kepada Mr. Ambassador.
Thank you, Jo.
Thank you, Chef.
Thank you.
Okay.
I think this by itself is good, but with everything else, it's easily overpowered by
Yep.
everything.
Mixing the comté with the cumin was a good idea.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a good idea.
The dish, I think, is vibrant, a lot of flavor. The spices are balanced, and the vegetable maybe just need to be slightly more dressed. But the fish, prawn, proteins, nicely cooked.
Yes.
The mashed potato.
The mashed potatoes.
It helps as well to make it creamy and the full body on the mouth. So yeah, very nice.
I think it's using cream also for the sauce
Yeah.
instead of coconut milk,
Yeah.
and that's what makes it different.
What do you think, Mr. Ambassador?
I think I like the dressing with the colors. Very beautiful for us. Mixing cumin with comté is a
Yes,
good idea.
it's a good idea.
It's worked well. Puree is good
Yep.
with a lot of butter.
Yep.
We said it before. You need
Yeah.
a lot of butter.
Yep.
And for the fish, I think it's well cooked.
Yeah.
Dengar makanannya Kojo dipuji, apalagi katanya ikannya matengnya perfect. Aku jadi kepikiran sama ayamku yang overcook. Aku lumayan khawatir.
Thank you, Mr. Ambassador, udah enjoy my dish. Aku bisa membanggakan diri aku dan Yogi yang sudah pulang.
Chef Juna?
Well, it's all well executed. I think the prawn is unnecessary.
True.
Yeah. You
Yes.
just can focus on the poached fish with the sauce.
Yep.
That's so flavorful.
Okay.
And the prawn puree.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Shall we try the next one?
Sure.
Yeah. Okay. Selanjutnya Belinda, please.
Harus bawa makanannya pakai troli dan nge-serve langsung ke juri dan Mr. Ambassador. Aku deg-degan banget. Aku takut aku ngelakuin kesalahan.
Hi, excuse me. You're very welcome.
So, she studied in the core belum? Yeah.
Excuse me, chef.
Thank you.
Oh, sorry. So here I have chicken roulette filled with chef. And then I also have perkedel croquette. So it's inspired by Indonesian like potato croquette, and then there's also camembert inside, and
Okay.
then with goulet sauce and tomato relish. Enjoy.
So what's this? Chicken skin?
It's actually turkey skin.
Turkey
Yeah,
skin.
to add
How do
more
you make
texture.
this?
I just put it in the oven between 2 baking paper, and then I put another tray on top.
Okay, well, thank you, Belle.
Sorry. Okay, thank you, chef.
Oops. So what do you think about the chicken roulade? I think it's a bit dry. But it's a nice combination with chevre, the cheese. The presence is there. But yeah, sadly, to me, it's just a bit dry. Flavor's good though.
Well, to be honest, it's not a bit dry. It's pretty much dead.
Tuh kan aku udah tebak kalau chickennya tuh bakal dikomen. Aku jujur malu banget dan aku bener-bener mau minta maaf ke Mr. Ambassador soalnya aku serve chicken yang dry banget.
Also the skin as well is a bit bitter.
I think it's a good idea to put the chèvre
In the chicken.
Yeah,
in the chicken.
Yeah, yeah.
It goes with the sauce
Yeah,
because it's strong enough.
exactly.
For all of
Yes,
the spices
you need
in
to
the
be
sauce?
very strong with
Yeah.
goulet sauce. Huh? So you don't need a lot of goulet sauce.
No. I really like the idea. The tomato relish also really helps with the freshness. But the chicken can be cooked way less.
Sauce is nice though. Creamy. Spices just right for the whole dish. Chef Juna?
Yeah, obviously the chicken is so dead ya. Di sini mungkin seasoning in the croquette
Yep.
needs a little bit more.
Mr. Ambassador?
The camembert it's a good idea.
Yeah.
It's soft. You could decide to put maybe a little bit more, but I like it. I think it's
Yeah.
Gives a different flavor
Yep.
of the croquette. It's good to contrast with the goulet sauce, but also the tomato.
Okay.
The idea is good.
That is good. Execution is not
The
really.
goat cheese with the gulai, it makes sense.
Wah, sayang banget hidangannya Belinda. Padahal untuk flavor combination-nya is very good, tapi ayamnya itu eksekusinya kurang bagus.
Meskipun aku malu banget karena ayamku dibilang kering, tapi yang lainnya dipuji, jadi aku lumayan seneng.
Okay, shall we try the next one? Yeah? Okay.
Oke, next kita panggil Kiki.
Wah, giliran aku maju ke depan. Aku udah yakin aku maju, karena memang hidanganku ini memang lumayan mantap. Aku juga percaya diri. Semoga aja rasanya oke.
Oh, 2 plates.
Kiki, kamu ngapain sih buat 2 hidangan berbeda padahal challenge kali ini kita cuma buat 1 aja. Kamu mau carmuk ya sama Mr. Ambassador ya?
So for the starter, I have the Gohu Kanape. There is a French bread in bottom, and then I put the chèvre cheese, and then I put the tuna with the pecan nut, and then the gandaria fruit, and then the pomegranate. That is for the kanape. And for the main course, I have the salmon confit, the green mussels. It's like escargot.
Yep.
And then I put the bechamel tuturuga.
Okay, bechamel tuturuga.
Yes, chef.
Thank you.
Okay, chef.
That's the sauce.
Yes, this is.
Bechamel tuturuga.
Yes, chef.
Okay.
What products are you using?
I'm using the chèvre cheese in here. This is the butter, the milk, and then the cooking cream, chef. So I make the base of bechamel, and then I infuse with the tuturuga.
Why you make bechamel?
Because I think there is the soft sauce, and then a little bit plain. I can put the aromatic and then a fragrance in there.
Thank you.
Yes, chef.
That's good, the bruschetta, I think, but just needs a bit more oil and to bind it so that it doesn't break away when you eat it.
It needs more pomegranate.
Yeah, it needs more pomegranate for sweetness, but I think it's good. It's nice and crunchy. Bechamel is good.
Actually, for the bechamel tuturuga, personal opinion, I don't think that he needs to make bechamel out of this.
Yeah.
Just tuturuga sauce is already with santan.
Santan, yeah.
You know, so it's already thick enough already.
I think he really just wants to
Sure, the French.
to make sure that it's a French-Indonesian concept.
I see. But he should incorporate some sort of cheese in there too, huh?
Yeah.
I don't mind the bechamel. It gives a different body.
What do you think about the dressing and the color?
I personally think if it's for the basil oil, it's unnecessary. I'd rather have a basil on top to give it
Fresh
more fiber.
basil.
Yeah, fresh basil. The pandan oil can mix it with the bechamel on top. It's fine, but it has to be a strong one. A bit more seasoning, my opinion. However, yeah, a fresh basil would be nice.
Nih Kiki dia buat 2 hidangan jadi dia nggak fokus sama 1 hidangan. Jadi kurang seasoningnya dia.
I really like how the salmon goes with the sauce.
Yeah.
The salmon is still a strong fish when cooked. Just the right amount of spice. And because it's a bechamel base, it has a nice body. It has a nice mouthfeel. And the doneness of the fish is good.
Yeah.
I like the bechamel with the fish too. I think it, for the texture, it's very good.
What do you think about this, the chef and tuna? Yes and no, hit and miss. Just need a bit more sweetness from the pomegranate and herbs.
I think the tuna is very unnecessary.
I think we first feel the pomegranate and the cheese.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so then
I mean, with the chef, you don't taste the tuna anymore. It's almost, it doesn't need to be there.
Yeah.
He can make a pomegranate gohu if you like.
and I like the colors.
The
Colors
whole
pretty-
thing
It's
is-
a bit like autumn period.
Yes.
So very well done.
Thank you, Mr. Ambassador. Cuman ada beberapa yang unnecessary